Hi, this is Ram Gopal Verma, Chartered Accountant, and I'm insurance surveyor. I'm practicing for last 30 years as an insurance surveyor. Today we want to discuss about final police report. Look, in case a burglary has taken place, FIR has been registered, and local police start investigating about the claim, and they can take about say 90 days time. In the meantime, if no arrest or recovery has been made, then local police can issue a untest report. That untest report it is submitted to the court, to the judicial magistrate, through the judicial magistrate. That's a no arrest or recovery has been made. So it is untest report is signed by the police and it is submitted to the. In case of state like Delhi, untest report can be signed by the police because they have got certain amount of judicial powers. In other states, local police does not have any judicial powers. It has to be signed by the judicial magistrate in the court. So that way untest report can be issued. That is the one. Now, when the untest report is submitted to the states, in different states, in that case, local police can finally make a final report that okay, this FIR was registered, we made this effort, we raided so many places, finally no arrest or recovery. They can make a section 173 CRPC report and submit it to the court. That report copy can be taken by the insured and submit to the police. What if some arrest or recovery has been made after some time, after lodging of the FIR? In that case, local police will not issue untest report. They will make a 173 CRPC report that will detail the whole chain from beginning till end. That is, lodging on FIR, arresting the culprits, recovering some goods, what efforts have been made by the police, who are arrested, who are absconding. That 173 CRPC report is submitted by the police to the court. That is the final. That okay, so and so crime has taken place, so and so criminal has been arrested. That 173 CRPC report is submitted to the court. That copy can be procured by the insured and given to the surveyor or to the insurance company for finalization of the insurance claim. Now, in such a case, the normal person, he does not go to the court or police, or neither a burglary takes place every day in this place. So he must know that 173 CRPC report is a must for insurance companies to finalize the insurance claim. They must obtain it through the court or through the police, or they can approach the NAYAB court, the person in the police station who is responsible to report it to the judicial magistrate. Through him they can apply to the court that sir, please give me the 173 CRPC report that is being submitted by the police to the court. In such a case, that is the final report and that can help the insured in getting his final amount or whatever it is from the insurance company, so that his claim can be finally logically concluded. So this is the 173 CRPC report that is very important for finalization of the claim. That is also called final police report submitted by the police to the court. In certain states like maybe UP, Haryana and other, it may take longer time for the police to submit the final police report. There is no time bound by the police within what time they should submit it. Like some people can take, some police station in some states can take longer time, some may take lesser time. It all depends that what is the workload they have. But this 170 CRPC report is important. After that, let the police or let the court take their ears together for evidence, witness, this charge sheeting or punishing all these criminals. For their company, for the purpose, insurance company need not wait. Neither insured is bothered to finally whether they are jailed for how many months or years. So, but only the 170 CRPC report is more than enough for finalization of the insurance claim. Fine. I am signing off. I am Ram Gopal Verma, Chartered Accountant Surveyor. Thank you very much.